Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Amazon Chimes account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Amazon Chimes account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in Amazon Chime sign in or login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Now click on first link shown on the page. On the next page, click on Sign In Sign Up option. You will end up on the login page of your Amazon Chimes account. Now, to sign into your account, enter your email address and password associated with your Amazon Chimes account and tap on Sign In. Tick mark on the first box to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the second box that says Keep me signed in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. This is how you can log into your Amazon Chimes account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.